You won't believe how much this massive 4-bedroom is going for. It's a total steal. Just minute to Sembawang MRT, Bukit Canberra with a hawker centre and Canberra Park. The North-South Corridor is another major project to enhance the connectivity to the city centre, cutting travel times and reduce congestion on the city. Step in from the foyer. This corner unit you get full height window and cross ventilation at 1,109 square feet. This spacious 4-bedroom feels huge. And check this out, a pool view right from your unit. Perfect spot for al fresco dining with a landscaping to match. The kitchen fully enclosable and functional, very well kept with an additional cabinet that owner has built in. Kitchen is accessible to the balcony. Master bedroom fit a king-size bed, a full-height carpentry and give a total space. Both bathrooms come with built-in carpentry and big windows for ventilation. Common room fit queen-size beds, built-in included, and yes, all rooms enjoy same gorgeous view with floor-to-ceiling window. This universal room can be converted into a bedroom or a study room. So, will you stay in this stunning 4-bedroom at Parc Life? At this price, it's seriously a steal. Give me a call at 900-90232. I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG.